Hey campers, welcome back to the channel. Today I have this great Yuko mess kit. This is a 4-piece mess kit. Why it is 4-piece? Because it's a nice, lightweight, basic mess kit. It's perfect for hiking. This can basically hold it so then it dries off. This basically hangs on a tree, dries off, all good. Everything's good about this. You have the fork that comes off of this little strap easily. This is the nice fork. It's a spork. It has a fork here, a knife right here, and then a spoon right here. Very nice, very good spork. Anyways, this nothing fancy but very high quality. Has the nice BPA free. Everything here is BPA free. Really nice. This can come off. You can basically just like rip this off. Comes off easily. So now you have the 4 pieces. The thing about this is it's very sturdy. So then you can have your eggs in here or whatever you don't want to be cracked or broken or, not like smashed. You can put it in here. Close this up, put it in your backpack, and then your eggs will be totally fine. They won't crack. And if somehow they crack, it has this great seal, if you can see around here. It has this great seal, so it won't get anywhere close to anything in your backpack except for inside of this. That's a good thing about here. I can put like bread in here and then close it and then wait for like 2 days and it'll still be good bread. Haven't tested it, but I'm pretty sure. No, I'm 100% sure that'll be better. That's about it. This is only $15 on Amazon. I bought it on $15 on Amazon. But that's it, campers. So leave a like and subscribe and comment down below if you want me to do more mess kit videos. Any camping, more tent videos. I haven't done tents, but I will do tents soon when I get more money. But anyways, thanks for watching and see you next time. See ya.